Making a big splash. Dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy for you. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and vivid phrase, making a big splash. Have you ever heard someone use it and wondered what it really means? Well, you're in the right place. Let's explore this expression together and understand how you can use it in your daily conversations. Before we dive into the figurative meaning, let's understand what this phrase means literally. Imagine someone jumping into a pool and creating a lot of water to splash around. This action grabs everyone's attention around the pool. The bigger the splash, the more attention it captures. This visual will help us understand the metaphorical use of this phrase. Now, when people say someone is making a big splash, they are not talking about swimming pools but rather about making a significant impact or impression in a particular area or field. This could be in business, entertainment, sports, or any other domain. It means doing something noteworthy that attracts a lot of attention or admiration from others. Let's see some examples to clarify how you can use this phrase. 1. In business, the new tech startup is making a big splash in the industry with its innovative products. 2. In entertainment, the young singer made a big splash with her debut album, topping charts worldwide. 3. Personal achievements. He made a big splash at the science fair, winning the first prize for his groundbreaking project. These examples show that the phrase can be versatile and applicable in various contexts. To help you expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms and phrases related to making a big splash. Making waves, causing a stir, drawing attention, standing out. Understanding these can help you express the same idea in different ways, making your English more fluent and natural. And that's a wrap on making a big splash. We hope this video has cleared up the meaning and usage of this colorful phrase. Remember, learning English is all about understanding the nuances and expressions that make the language rich and vibrant. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make your own splash with English. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!